How to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 11. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear or remove all unnecessary, all cache and junk files as well from your Windows 11. Now not just from Windows 11, but it will also work on a lower version of Windows. So all you have to do is to head straight into the Windows icon or on your Windows search and then type in run, hit on enter, and then a small box will appear. Now, the next thing to do is type in temp or temp, and once you hit on OK, all the junk files or all unnecessary files will show up on your end. So these are all the files right here. If you have more than 100 files, then you are not able to click it one by one. All you have to do is to click anywhere inside the box and then hit the control keys and the A key on your keyboard at the same time and then hit on delete. Now you just have to choose on try again or skip if you're currently using a specific file and then just simply delete it fully. And that's it. That's how you clear all cache and junk files from Windows 11.